Okay, here it is. PhotoFest 2014, Aloft, Aero Macro. And looky there, we're hung, we're lit, we've got windsocks, we've got lights, we've got all of our prints, got curtains in the doorway, got another windsock. This is also thrilling. Got my smaller pieces on the wall. Had a little damage on a couple of them because I'm a dumbass. But overall, I think it came out quite nicely. Yes, I do. Oh, nice Jeep.